Hello and welcome to the Galactic Racing Championships. This week we move to a new location, Mars. Here we are at the starting line. And they're off and racing, with Lewa taking an early lead. Now they go over it's a jump over a lava river. Past the pits. Someone's just been shot. And he's gone over the bridge and into this place. It's a another cornery thing. There's two ways to go. It all leads to the same spot. Now Lewa, he stopped for a second there, presumably to not spin out of control. That's someone letting off an electrical bomb. And Lewa, back to the lava river jump. Ooh, nearly got fallen in the lava river there. Nice and tidy, knocking something over with his wingtip. Stopping again. What's he doing? Some others going over the lava river. They were going over a bridge now, and back towards the two-way cornery thing. Knocking off an electrical bomb as well. Oh, someone just shot Lewa. Now he's only got one propeller. State the obvious. And out of the cornery thing now, and letting off a dog into the maze now, which goes quite fast, and into lap 3, up this hill and back onto the lava river. That thing, what's that look like? A giant robot dog. Affirmative. And Lewa goes into the pits while letting off an electrical bomb. Someone has just had their car destroyed. Lewa going over the bridge now, and being followed not too closely by some other racers. One of them went invisible, in fact. Someone let off an electrical bomb. Out again into the maze. Let's get someone letting off. Yes. Did I just see Lewa went through another area of the maze and across the